Face coal is widely used in power fuel, carbonization with coal, carbon materials with coal, blast furnace injection coal, coking coal, coal gasification, coal water slurry preparation, coal liquefaction, and so on. As environmental protection, high-quality, clean Yulin coal has a broader market prospects, will continue to be used in many fields. 3 points need to be paid attention to the lubrication of face coal ball press. The gear oil in the open gear box of a coal ball press should be immersed into the gear more than 60 millimeters. The roller bearing of the second coal ball press is opened every 3 months to replace the butter or oil with the butter gun. 3-side coal ball press reduce the plus gear oil at the amount of immersed gear 60 millimeters.